What's going on, you guys? So I know we did a part 1 of fixing the water leaks, we did a part 2 of fixing the water leaks. Believe it or not, this is gonna be a part 3. So it rained a lot today, and I thought it was the window seal trim, so I taped that off. No way water can get in. Boom, rained again that same day, water got in, and I think this is the final fix because it's the only thing that makes sense. And I'm gonna fix it and show you guys how to do it. And if it leaks after that, I honestly have no idea where this water is getting in from, but I'm 100% sure this time we did it. Even on the past, if that didn't fix anything, at least we've made it better. Like we changed the window trim seal. That's good. It was going bad anyways, so that's one thing we fixed. The cowl grommets, we completely sealed those off so it would never ever leak. That is good. That is a permanent fix we did. We don't have to worry about that forever. The window seal trim, boom, already resealed. Nice. And I proven it didn't leak because when I taped it off, no water was getting in from the window seal. I flipped down that little flap where you can from inside. I'll show you guys. You can see no water, so our window seal fix worked. Our grommet fix under the hood cowl worked. Now let's show where this leak is coming from, and this is the only place I believe the water is getting in from, because I can prove it. Because I poured water on top of the car one time, and on top of the windshield seal, there's water getting into the top of the windshield. So what I'm gonna have to do is reseal the whole windshield, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it for a good price and permanently fix that issue. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's make this happen. We finally hit 77 subscribers. I love you guys so much. I personally believe this is the last thing we need to fix to deal with this whole water leak situation. So yeah, guys, after this we'll go ahead and upgrade the car and have fun with it. I love you guys. Let's get into this video. Before we get into this video and how to fix it and where the water's coming from, we'll be using to fix this is very cheap, very good from the reviews. I always check the reviews now when I buy some shit after getting scammed for the GT front lower bumper, and the one I received was a V6. The guy's comments all said scam, scam, scam. I didn't know that, but from now on, check your fucking reviews and stars. But this is the product we'll be using. Okay, so this is the product. I will put the link in description. $17 should come up to $18 after taxes. So hopefully this fixes our issue. And if you guys have broken any miniature clips when you pull off that rubber thing, these are that miniature clips right here, okay? So as you guys can see, we took off this plastic trim. You can see our previous work when we put that seam sealer on. This part is no longer leaking. So that was a fix. That seal we put on actually fixed this, because this is no longer leaking water. See? Before, this would be filled up with water. So our new leak is coming from here. Because all this was taped up, there's no way in hell water could get into the car. So it started leaking from here now. So where does this lead? To the freaking windshield. So on the outside of this, somewhere here it started leaking. So tomorrow, figure out where the water is getting in from. I'll show you guys how to reseal the whole windshield. So I'm confident that is the last water leak, or maybe that was the water leak that was causing all these issues, and we did do good things by fixing the other water leaks that may have not been happening. But at least we know they will never happen because we fixed them. I'm 100% sure. I do know that it is the windshield leaking because I poured water and I did see water dripping through a little crack in there. So I'm going to show you guys when we do this and we get the parts we need. We're going to go ahead and reseal the entire front windshield. And since we're going to buy the products and have everything ready, might as well do the rear windshield because God knows that might happen next. Enough talking. I'm going to go ahead, order all the stuff I showed you in this video. When it gets here, we'll get straight to work. We can't fix it now because it is already raining for some reason on and off today. And like always, after we fix this, and if it rains again, I will do an update because I like keeping you guys updated and not leaving loose ends. If this fixes it, I'll make a video. If it doesn't, I'll make a video and we can go to the next thing. But I'm pretty sure this is going to be the last time we will ever have water leaks inside of this car. So stay tuned. I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, you guys, we were about to put the window sealant on the outside, but we didn't get the chance to because it's raining. And also, the tape is still on where we masked off in the last video, the tape. So this is the perfect time to check if the water is still getting in. And as you guys can see, I've been sitting out here for 20 minutes. I've been out here. It's dry. Also, don't mind the floors because I went outside, but there's no water dripping or leaking. Under the dash is dry. So we know that the problem was up here was leaking on the outside windshield. Look, even here is dry. So when it stops raining, I'm gonna go ahead and put the waterproof sealing window resealer on the outside of the window. We're gonna do up here, we're gonna do down there, and then we're gonna reseal the whole windshield, and that should fix our water problems. Because look, no drips, no nothing. It's completely dry. So that's good. So I'm just gonna sit in my car, enjoy the nice thunderstorm, and yeah, we'll just be chilling. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What's going on, guys? Today is Friday. Our orders have arrived. W in chat for the night. So let's open bag number 1. Okay, so I did order these 3-piece scraper tools, so that way when we lay down the bead of the window sealer, we can just go over it and flatten it out, because we don't want it to look ugly. Second bag. Second bag is our window resealer. We got a tip, which is good. And when we do this, we're going to be cutting the tip so I don't have to squeeze that hard, and we just get a very fast, quick bead. Because I don't want to be taking my time, because I find when you take your time doing a bead, you screw it up. So I want to get a good enough speed and thickness. I can just all the way across. Got an important warning label. Nobody gives a shit. We got shitty ass gloves that are probably gonna break within seconds of use. So yeah, it is raining, as you guys just saw, so we're gonna have to wait tomorrow or the next day. The good news is at least there's no water getting in the car because of the tape we put, but in 2 days, now I gotta wait 2 more days and we'll post this video. Also, we're getting some new taillights, so that video will be uploaded, how to install new taillights. So stay tuned, please like, comment, and subscribe. So the weather forecast just said it's going to be clearing up. I don't know if I should wait. Like, I don't know. It does look like it's going to clear up. But this is Canada. Nobody really fucking knows if it's going to fucking rain, snow, or both at the same. It's possible. It happens so many times. Both. But, I don't know, what should we do? Should we just go and do it quick, or should we just be patient? I mean, it's gonna dry. It's gonna be dry when we do it because the tape was protecting the seal. So when we rip off the tape, it's gonna be a nice, fresh, dry surface. Then what I can do is do it quick and nice and perfect, and then cover the car immediately. And let it dry for, like, the day or, like, an hour or two. Then go back out, do the right and left side of the windshield. I'm gonna locate the car cover and we'll try to do it quick, because I'm impatient and I want to know that this is fixed while it's raining and shit, because I don't want to wait a couple months and the next thing you know it rains heavy and then it doesn't fix. But the fact that we put the tape there and then there's no more leaks, so it's definitely the windshield. It's definitely the windshield leaking. So let's go ahead, locate my car cover. That way, in case it rains, I can just put it on quick, protect the car and the sealant. So yeah, let's get to it. We could probably do it today. I got nothing to do. Okay, you guys, so the weather looks like it's clearing up, so we're gonna go ahead and unmask the area to stop the water from getting in. We're gonna do that side first because I don't want to do this then run out of the ceiling and then be screwed. So I'm gonna start from where the point is leaking at. I won't be able to film it because I don't have a tripod, but if you guys definitely donate, I'll get one. But we'll just start from there, work our way down. before it rains. And if it rains, I'm just gonna cover the damn car as fast as I can. I got our cover ready, so let's get to it. And if you're using this product, please wear gloves. It comes with 2 for a reason. Just wear it. Okay, you guys, so this is the sealant. Honestly, from far you barely notice it's there. Up close it looks decent. I wouldn't say it's ugly. Maybe on camera because I just put it on, but we did the whole around the outside windshield. There we go. This side came out really good. I'm really impressed with this side. And we got up here too. This stuff I'll clean up later in life. I just want it to dry. We did mess up there a little bit, but I'm gonna try to fix that right there. I took some out with the caulking gun, but I'm gonna try to put some back. But yeah, guys, this is where we're at. I did go with this thing, and I did the thicker one, and I just scraped up alongside just so it's even, and then I wiped off the excess. So we're gonna go ahead, we're trying to fill that little patch up there, right there, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, we have just finished up here. We're gonna go ahead, let it dry for like 2-3 hours, come back and check it. This looks really good. I cleaned up the outsides with towel, so you don't see any outside marks on the body. Looks really good. Perfectly filled. But yeah, I'll give it 2 hours, and this is where it was leaking from, so I'll give it like 2-3 hours. We'll come back and make a video. All right, later, guys. See you in 2 hours. Okay, before I upload this video, I'm thinking, I masked this the other day, but I'm thinking, should I put some in here just for extra sealant? But the thing is, it comes out too thick, so I don't want it to like go on the paint. And that's what I do, is mask up here and then just put like a nice bead. But I don't want it to look ugly, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'll just wait for next rainfall. If I see this fail, our current fix, if that fails, then I'll just go ahead and buy the same product and then put it on, because it rained today and there was no water. So I don't know. I mean, I could put some, or I could take some on my finger and just rub it in. I don't know. I'll figure something out, but I'm gonna upload this video. I'll think about this and you guys will see that video too, but I might not do it. So I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And it's completely dry now to the touch, sort of. Yeah, sort of. But yeah, alright, later.